Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Do you like to have a good cup of coffee every morning and you really love to grind your own beans to make it even better? I do. And to do that, you need a really good coffee grinder. So that is what I have here. This is by Kaffe, and this grinder is excellent. First of all, it is super easy to use. You plug it in, you put your coffee beans in, you put the lid on, and you hold down the power button. So it's very easy and it's super powerful. So you can hold it down just a couple seconds, and if you just need a coarse ground, it will be done. If you want it finer, you can just hold it down the power button until it's exactly the grind that you want. The plastic lid you can just throw in the dishwasher when you want to wash it, and it comes with a really nice brush so you can get all the little coffee grounds out if you decide you want to grind some herbs or spices. So if you're like me and you like to have a nice, good cup of coffee in the morning, this grinder will definitely help you, giving you those nice, freshly ground beans.
But that's just my point of view.